Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new low profile thermal camera mount for Thumper Fab roof racks. Before we mount this on the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and mount our camera mount to it. As you can see, this camera mount is directional, so we're going to face the arrow forward. This is so that when it's in the resting position, it'll face the camera towards the front of the vehicle. I'll go ahead and use the hardware provided from the camera manufacturer to fasten the mount to our mount bracket. Once we get this all tight, we'll move on to mounting it to the roof rack. I'll go ahead and thread our cap on. This goes in place of the camera for now, just to keep dust and everything out of the electronics. Now I'll be ready to mount the actual mount bracket to the roof rack. For this, since we have the upper rack on the vehicle, I'll have to get on top of the vehicle for adequate access for us to install our fastener. With our camera mount in place, we'll use the hardware provided in our hardware kit. This will be 1/4 inch button head screws, 1/4 inch fender washers, and 1/4 inch lock nuts. I'll go ahead and get all 6 of our fasteners started. For our thermal camera mount, you'll have 2 bolts in the front, 2 bolts located on the sides, and 2 bolts in the rear. If you're installing this camera mount on an Expedition roof rack, you'll use the front 2 most bolts located in the middle rear section of the camera mount. If it's going on any other roof rack, you'll use the 2 rearmost bolts. With all 6 of our fasteners started, I'll take the fender washer and our flange nylon lock nut and tighten them up on the underside. We'll use our 5/32 Allen wrench and our 7/16 socket to tighten our mount up. With all your hardware tight, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab low profile thermal camera mount.